So welcome. This video is based upon quadratics for A levels, both CIE and Edexcel topical questions on the first chapter, quadratics. So let us start with the past paper questions based on the topic quadratics. So the first question, it says find the values of A and B. It's a completing square question. So therefore x square minus 8x minus 29. So we can see that this is 8. 8 divided by 2 is 4. So 4 square. Add 16, subtract 16. Then these three terms will become x minus 4 whole square, and minus 24 minus 29 minus 16 is negative 45. So what are the values of A? A value equals to negative 4 and B value equals to negative 45. Hence or otherwise show that the roots are in this form. So we have to find the roots of this equation. So x minus 4 whole square minus 45 equals to 0. X minus 4 whole square equals to 45. Then square root on both sides. So x minus 4 equals to square root 45. 45 can be written as 9 times 5. Square root of 9 is 3 and 3 root 5. So it is plus minus 3 root 5. So negative 4, when I move it to the other side, it becomes 4 plus minus 3 root 5. So where C and D. So C equals to 4, D equals to 3. Because he told that C and D are to be found. So we have to write the values of C and D. Next question is from June 2006. Sketch the curves. So we know that x plus 3 whole square is a parabola. This is a parabola passing through origin. That's going to be a parabola passing through origin. Now I want x plus 3 whole square. X plus 3 whole square will be move that parabola 3 units to the left. 3 units to the left, so it becomes x minus x plus 3 whole square, and that is for part A. The point is minus 3 comma 0, and part B x plus 3 whole square plus k. So for that, what am I going to do? Move that unit 2 units of k units up, so it becomes x plus 3 whole square plus k. So this is minus 3 and k. This point is negative 3 comma k. That's going to be the answer. Next, the equation where p is a positive constant has equal roots. Equal roots means b square minus 4ac equals to 0. So first of all, find a value, b value, and c value. Now b square minus 4ac is equals to 0. So you get it out, 4p square minus 12p minus 16 equals to 0. Divide by 4 on either sides. So it becomes p square minus 3p minus 4 equals to 0. Now I factorize it out. P minus 4 times p plus 1 equals to 0. P equals to 4 or p equals to negative 1. But he said that p is a positive constant, so negative 1 is rejected. So only the answer is p equals to 4. For this value of p, solve this equation. So substitute p value equals to 4 in that. So it becomes x square plus 8x plus 3p. 3 times 4 is 12. 12 plus 4 is nothing but what? 16 equals to 0. This will become x plus 4 times x plus 4 equals to 0. So x equals to negative 4 is going to be the answer. It has two equal roots, negative 4 and negative 4. Next question has no real roots. Means b square minus 4ac is less than 0. So a value is 2. B value is negative 3, C value is negative of k plus 1. So b square minus 4ac minus of k plus 1 is less than 0. 9 plus 8 times of k plus 1 is less than 0. 9 plus 8k plus 8 is less than 0. 8k plus 17 is less than 0. 8k is less than negative 17. K is less than negative 17 upon 8. Next question has different roots. Means b square minus 4ac is greater than 0. So a value is 1, b value is k, c value is k plus 3. So k square minus 4 times 1 times k plus 3 is greater than 0. So k square minus 4k minus 12 is greater than 0. That is part A done. For part B, set of possible values. So factorize it out. Is greater than 0. So what are the roots? 6 and -2. Whenever we have greater than like that, so k is greater than bigger root, k is smaller than the lesser root. K is greater than 6 and k is less than -2. Next question has no real solutions, means b square minus 4ac is less than 0. So a equals to 1, b equals to k, c equals to 8. Before that, but we have k, right? So what am I going to do? Bring that k also to the other side. Plus 8 minus k equals to 0. So c is 8 minus k. So b square minus 4ac is less than 0. So k square minus 32 plus 4k is less than 0. So k square plus 4k minus 32 is less than 0. That is our part A. Hence set the values. So k plus 8 times k minus 4 is less than 0. So the roots are minus 8 comma 4. Whenever it is less than, smaller root on the left hand side, bigger root on the right hand side. That's for part B. Next question has no real roots. He's asking us to show that it has no real roots. No real roots means nothing but b square minus 4ac is less than 0. So what am I going to do that? A equals to 2q, b equals to q, c equals to -1. Then b square minus 4ac is less than 0. So q square plus 8q is less than 0. That's part A. Hence set the values of q. So take q common. Q plus 8 is less than 0. So 0 and -8. Whenever it is less than, lesser number on the left hand side, bigger number on the right hand side. Next has two different real solutions. So b square minus 4ac is greater than 0. So a equals to k, b equals to 4, c equals to 5 minus k. So 4 square minus 4 times k times 5 minus k is greater than 0. 16 minus 20k plus 4k square is greater than 0. So write in proper order. 4k square minus 20k plus 16 is greater than 0. Divide by 4. We get k square minus 5k plus 4 is greater than 0. That's what is asked in part A. Set of possible values of this one. So factorize k minus 4 times k minus 1 is greater than 0. 4 and 1 are the roots. So k is greater than greater root, k is lesser than lesser root. Next question has equal roots. Equal roots means b square minus 4ac is equals to 0. A equals to 1, b equals to 3p, c equals to p. So 3p whole square minus 4 times 1 times p equals to 0. 9p square minus 4p equals to 0. P common, 9p minus 4 equals to 0. So either p equals to 0, p equals to 4 upon 9. But he has told that p is a non-zero constant. So p equal to 0 is rejected. P equals to 4 upon 9 is the answer. Next question. Express f of x in the completing square form. So we have to express this one in the completing square form. So x square plus 4kx plus 3 plus 11k. So we know that this is 4k. 4k divided by 2 is 2k. So add 2k whole square, subtract 2k whole square. X square plus 4kx plus 2k whole square plus 3 plus 11k minus 2k whole square. So these three will become x plus 2k whole square, then plus 3 plus 11k minus 4k square. Now given that f of x equal to 0 has no real roots, means b square minus 4ac is less than 0. So a is 1, b is 4k, c is 3 plus 11k. So, sorry, is less than 0. So you get 16k square minus 12 minus 44k is less than 0. 16k square minus 44k minus 12 is less than 0. Divide by 4, 4k square minus 11k minus 3 is less than 0. So we have to factorize it out. When I factorize it out, minus 3. 4k plus 1 times k minus 3 is less than 0. So I get negative 1 upon 4 and 3. Whenever it is less than, lesser value on the left hand side, bigger value on the right hand side. Set of possible values of k. Given that k equals to 1, sketch the graph of f of x. Now k equals to 1. So substitute k equals to 1 in this one. So it becomes x square plus 4 times 1 times x plus 3 plus 11 times 1 equals to f of x. 3 plus 11k. So it becomes x square plus 4x plus 14. So it becomes x square plus 4x, add 4, subtract 4. So it becomes x plus 2 whole square plus 10. So the vertex is negative 2 comma 10. Negative 2 and 10. This is going to be the answer. Parabola with negative 2 and 10. Opposite symbol over here and same symbol over here. Negative 2 and 10. Next question. X square plus 6x plus 11 in the completing square. X square plus 6x plus 11. So this is 6. 6 divided by 2 is 3. So add 9, subtract 9. So it becomes x plus 3 whole square plus 2. P and Q integers to be found. So P value equals to 3 and Q value equals to 2. In the space at the top of page 7, sketch this graph. So we are supposed to sketch it out. X plus 3 whole square means it moves 3 units to the left and 2 units up. So this is going to be the vertex. State the value of the discriminant. Discriminant is b square minus 4ac. So which is d, which is delta, which is b square minus 4ac. So b square, 6 square minus 4 times 1 times 11. So 36 minus 44, negative 8. Next question. Has two distinct real roots. Two distinct real roots means b square minus 4ac is greater than 0. So a is 1, b is k minus 3 and c is 3 minus 2k. b square minus 4ac is greater than 0. K minus 3 whole square minus 4 times 1 times 3 minus 2k is greater than 0. K square minus 6k plus 9 minus 12 plus 8k is greater than 0. K square plus 2k minus 3 is greater than 0. Hence set up the possible values of k. Factorize it out. It becomes k plus 3 times k minus 1 is greater than 0. So negative 3 and 1 are the roots. Whenever it is greater than, k is greater than greater root, k is lesser than lesser root. That's going to be the answer. Next question. Find the value of discriminant. Discriminant means b square minus 4ac. So a value is 1, b value is k plus 3, c value is k. So discriminant d equals to b square minus 4ac. So which is k square plus 6k plus 9 minus 4k. K square plus 2k plus 9. Show that the discriminant can be expressed in the form of completing square. So k square plus 2k plus 9. This is 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1. So add 1, subtract 1. So these three terms will become k plus 1 whole square. 9 minus 1 is 8. Where a and b integers have to be found. So a is 1, b is 8. Show that for all values of k, f of x has real roots. So we know that k square plus 1 is always positive. Square term is always positive. 8 is also positive. Sum of two positive numbers is always positive. So k plus 1 whole square plus 8 is always greater than 0. Means discriminant is greater than 0. Discriminant is greater than 0 means it is always having real roots. So we have to prove that discriminant is greater than 0. Coming to the next question. Has two distinct real roots, means b square minus 4ac is greater than 0. So a value is k plus 3, b value is 6, c value is k minus 5. Because plus 5 when I bring this at k minus 5. So b square minus 4 times k plus 3 times k plus 5 is less than 0. So 36 minus 4 times k square plus 3k plus 5k plus 15 is less than 0. 36 minus 4k square minus 12k minus 20k minus 60 is less than 0. So negative 4k square minus 32k minus 24 is less than 0. Now, so divide by, what is this, negative 4. So when I divide by negative 4, we get it out, k square plus 8k plus 6 is greater than 0. But you have to be careful over here. He says that this equation has two distinct real roots. Two distinct real roots means what are we supposed to do? We are supposed to do greater than 0. We are supposed to do as greater than 0. B square minus 4ac is greater than 0. Then and it is c value is k minus 5. So just let make some other corrections over here. Let us make that corrections over here. Neatly do that. B square minus 4 times k plus 3 times k minus 5 is greater than 0. So 36 minus 4 times k square plus 3k minus 5k minus 15 is greater than 0. So it becomes 36 minus 4k square plus 12 minus 12k plus 20k plus 60 is greater than 0. So it becomes negative 4k square plus 8k plus 96 is greater than 0. Divide by negative 4. When I divide by negative 4, what will happen is the inequality symbol changes. So it becomes k square minus 2k minus 24 is less than 0. That's what been asked. Now factorize this one. K minus 6 times k plus 4 is less than 0. The roots are 6 and negative 4. Whenever it is less than, smaller root on the left hand side, bigger root on the right hand side. So that completes the paper. See you in the next video. Bye.